Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a superfood that is not only tasty but also full of nutrients that can do great things for your health. Yes, I'm talking about the leaves of the red amaranth plant, which in India are called lal sag or lal math. Indian cooks have been using these leaves for hundreds of years, and now the rest of the world is learning about their health benefits. So, today I'll tell you the top 10 health benefits of red amaranth leaves and what will happen to your body if you eat them every day. Vitamins and minerals make it healthy. Red amaranth leaves are full of vitamins and minerals that your body needs. They have a lot of iron, calcium, and potassium, as well as vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A is great for keeping your eyes in good shape, and vitamin K helps your blood to clot. Hemoglobin, the part of your blood that carries oxygen, can't be made without iron. Calcium is known for building strong bones and keeping muscles healthy, while potassium helps keep blood pressure in a healthy range. Boost for the immune system. There are a lot of vitamins in red amaranth leaves, which help your nervous system. Antioxidants keep free radicals, which damage cells and make you more likely to get sick, from getting into your body. So, eating red amaranth leaves every day helps your defense system get stronger. Helps keep the digestive system in good shape. Red amaranth leaves have a lot of fiber in them, which helps keep the digestive system healthy. Fiber passes through your digestive system without being broken down. This keeps you regular and keeps you from getting constipated. Eating red amaranth leaves also helps keep the bacteria in the gut healthy. Helps you lose weight. Red amaranth leaves are a great food to add to your diet if you want to lose weight. Red amaranth leaves have a lot of fiber, which makes you feel full for longer. This makes you less likely to want to snack between meals. Also, red amaranth leaves are low in calories and carbs, which makes them a great addition to a diet low in carbs or calories. Bringing down cholesterol levels. Heart disease can happen when your cholesterol level is too high. But the chemicals in the leaves of red amaranth can help lower cholesterol. These substances link to cholesterol in your gut system and keep it from getting into your bloodstream. Properties that reduce inflammation. The anti-inflammatory effects of red amaranth leaves help get rid of inflammation signs in your body. A number of long-term diseases, like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis, can be caused by inflammation. By lowering inflammation, eating red amaranth leaves can help keep these diseases at bay. Bringing down blood pressure. Heart disease and stroke are often caused by high blood pressure. Compounds in the leaves of red amaranth have been found to lower blood pressure. It is also known that the potassium in red amaranth leaves helps lower blood pressure. Good for your bones. Because they are full of calcium and vitamin K, red amaranth leaves are great for keeping your bones healthy. If you eat red amaranth leaves every day, you may be less likely to get osteoporosis or break a bone. Good for your eyes. The leaves of red amaranth are a great source of vitamin A, which is important for healthy eyes. Vitamin A helps protect your eyes from age-related eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. Helps keep skin and hair healthy. The leaves of red amaranth are a great source of vitamin C, which is important for making collagen. Collagen is a protein that keeps your hair and skin in good shape. Vitamin C also keeps hair from breaking, splitting, and falling out. Red amaranth leaves are a superfood that can do a lot for your health because they are full of nutrients. If you eat red amaranth leaves every day, they can help your immune system, aid digestion, help you lose weight, lower your cholesterol, reduce inflammation, lower your blood pressure, keep your bones and eyes healthy, and keep your skin and hair healthy. So, the next time you go to the store, pick up a bunch of red amaranth leaves to add to your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.